steam trains are rolling out again. Glad to see them back, keep them rolling down the track. Shoveling my coal, they're rolling on the tracks again. When I was a little bitty baby boy, one of the things that gave me so much joy was the billowy smoke coming from the stack of a big locomotive flying down the track. Then I got older and the world changed, and the little boy things all went away. Put out the fires, the trains are retired, but it looks like they're making a comeback today. Old steam trains are rolling out again. The old steam trains are rolling out again. Glad to see them back, keep them rolling down the track. Shoveling my coal, they're rolling on the tracks again. Ups and downs, but when push comes to shove, we proudly stand our ground. We always try to take a higher road, and like them old steam trains pull a heavy load. Some who will tell you we've seen better days, and some who will tell you steam don't pay. You can't put a price on a little child's smile, watching those steam trains rolling out a mile. Old steam trains are rolling out again. The old steam trains are rolling out again. Glad to see them back, keep them rolling down the track. Shoveling my coal, they're rolling on the tracks again. Old steam trains are rolling out again. The old steam trains are rolling out again. Glad to see them back.